Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2021 Genesis GV80 2.5T. It has 300 horsepower. You have ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. And you have your little dial down here to change your modes. Here's neutral, and here's drive. The screen is pretty big. Yeah, we are a little bit low on fuel, but it'll be a quick drive, so it should be fine. The screen is really big. There's a lot of different options there. You can control it using this thing down here. Pretty high quality materials in this vehicle. I like how everything is like made of metal, as you can see there. Like, look at this, all the mirror controls, everything is made of metal. It's not cheap plastic or anything. You have metal shift paddles. This is a nice car. Now let's wait for that person to go. So, as a passenger, what do you think of this vehicle?
Well, to be honest, when you look at it through the video itself, I don't think you can actually realize how actual spacious it is.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. There's so much space.
Yeah, compared to like the MDX and a lot of like these bigger 3-row SUVs, the amount of legroom that you have in here is actually kind of insane. I
totally agree. I think not only the material is really nice and high-end in here, but the legroom is crazy. It's so spacious up here, and the SUV from the outside doesn't really look like it's that big or anything like that.
Also, like how elevated I guess like the center console is in comparison to some cars. I feel like the fact that it's lifted up makes you feel like you're more in like a cockpit kind of thing.
Oh, for sure. I agree with that. Cool. Yeah, seats are very comfortable. Visibility and everything's really good. As I was saying, I'm just impressed with the quality. Like, even the turn signal stock has this like metal piece on the end, and it's not made of like fully plastic like many other cars have. Like, most manufacturers don't really want to, you know, put a lot of money into like small things like window controls or turn signal stocks, but Genesis definitely did not skimp anywhere on that. Very smooth pickup. Yeah, my phone just keeps flopping around in that cup holder. Pretty good. I think the 3.5T and like the sportier trim, I forgot what it's called, has like a 3-spoke steering wheel, which I prefer over the 2-spoke. I feel like the 2-spoke steering wheel definitely gives the car like a, it makes it feel like, I don't know, it just reminds me of like older cars where they have 2-spoke steering wheels. I'm not a big fan of 2-spoke wheels. The 3-spoke looks better. But yeah, Genesis makes some great cars, and I think the brand overall is very underrated. High quality products for a very affordable price compared to many German rivals that, or even Japanese rivals sometimes, that don't have nearly the same build quality and stuff like that in many areas. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's a great luxury SUV. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. And now I can really see why. It's weird how like the cup holders are tilted like downwards. It goes downward. That's why like my phone keeps flopping around in the cup holder. So I assume that if you have like a drink, it's gonna like fly out, which is weird. Weird design, how it's not straight, because the dash goes like down like this, so the cup holders are slanted.
Yeah, it's interesting. Like even like the console itself, everything seems like it's
Going up.
going up.
Yeah, nice car. We'll end the video with a quick walk around as we always do.
I do like the GV70.
Yeah.
They sell 100 times more.
I think the GV70 is a really attractive small SUV, luxury SUV, and especially in the market now where people are obsessed, consumers are obsessed with small, compact luxury SUVs. That's a really nice car. But yeah, this GV80 has been pretty great. Yeah, I'm gonna go pull up over there, so we'll have some space to do a quick walk around on the car. So it's finished in like this maroon color. The grille is chrome. Pretty distinctive design. All-wheel drive. Good looking SUV. I've always loved the way the GV70 or 80 looks, and even the buttons back here are metal, which is pretty awesome. No, that's why I won't go up. But yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.